Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to adjust the contrast, the saturation, and the brightness on your PlayStation 4. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 4, if you go to the top and then go to Settings and select that option, and then scroll down to Sound and Screen, right here, select this, then go to Video Output Setting. You can go ahead and adjust your resolution, the RGB range. Now sometimes when people select the full option, it's going to give you deeper blacks and they may look a little bit crushed. However, you may like that look. Try out going to full, otherwise just leave it on recommended. Same thing for the resolution, otherwise just select the highest resolution your display offers. Then if you have HDR, high dynamic range, make sure you turn this on or leave it to automatic if your TV or monitor supports it. Then adjust the HDR by going through 3 different menus and adjusting the icon in the box. Then the same thing with deep color output. Leave this to automatic if you have the option to. Now some games actually have the option to increase the brightness in the game. However, easily using your TV remote or the TV menus, just by pressing menu on your remote, then going to picture, then you can go over here and you have backlighting, which will pretty much be like the brightness section. You can increase the brightness of the TV. As you can see, everything is much more blue and pronounced as opposed to going to the left. So I tend to keep mine right around like 13 or 14 or 12, right around there. Then here's the option for contrast. I have my contrast all the way up. I mostly watch TV shows and movies on this TV. I don't play games. Then for my brightness, I have my brightness right around 45. Now these are all preference based, but you can adjust the contrast and the brightness. And then for color, this will be the saturation. Adjust the levels of saturation values closer to 100%, mean more intense colors. Then on my TV, I have the option to adjust my screen. So if I want to make my screen smaller, smart view, or screen fit, 4:3, wide fit, I have the option to do that on here as well. Then I have advanced settings where I can go to dynamic contrast, black tone, which is kind of nice. This will enhance picture depth by adjusting black color depth. Then under my advanced settings, if you want to adjust the gamma as well, I do have that option on my Samsung TV. So it's very easy to adjust your color, your saturation, your brightness. If this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to PlayStation 4 coming up next on YourSixStudios.